Hi everybody, it's Matt Calcutt once again from the California Highway Patrol. Today we're going to hear from Logan Talbot from Alpenglow Expeditions about how to manage your cell phone battery while traveling in the backcountry.
Hi, my name is Logan and today we'll be talking about tips and tricks to get the most out of our battery while traveling in the backcountry. Like we talked about in the last video, using our phones for navigation can use a lot of power. Other things that eat up juice are taking or watching lots of videos, surfing the web or social media, and being connected to the network. It's important to conserve power when away from home if we plan on using our phones for important tasks like navigation or calling for help in the event of emergency. The first thing I tell people in my group is to turn on airplane mode. This is one of the simplest ways to make your battery last longer. Also, when our phones are searching for a cell signal or go in and out of service often, they use a large amount of power. When you need to use the phone to call for help, then turn the airplane mode off and voila, you have plenty of power. The next thing to do is to keep the phone warm. Batteries hate cold temperatures and will lose a charge much faster when cold. Sometimes all of this still isn't enough. Perhaps you're on a multi-day trip, or you know you will be using lots of power and need something extra. Enter the external battery pack. There are many types of external packs, from small batteries that hold just one charge built into a phone case, to larger units that will recharge the phone many times. I find that 1 to 2 recharges is all I need for the majority of overnight trips. On long expeditions, we might need even more power, and then we add solar chargers to the mix. These beauties give us the ability to recharge far away from home and are relatively light and compact. I won't usually bring a solar panel on trips unless it's longer than 5 days, but when you need it, they're great.